First, I will tell you about my Libertor. Luxury car is more expensive than regular car because it is better than regular car. For example, luxury car system safety and quality is better than regular car. Also, luxury cars are more environmental than regular cars because luxury cars engine efficiency is better than regular cars. Next, I will tell you about my argument. My argument is buying luxury car is good for our image and status. Luxury cars are good for luxurious lifestyle. Luxury car is expensive, so it attracts attention whenever it goes. So some people think we are rich and some people feel envy. However, buying cheap or expensive thing, what we want is our freedom. If we are rich and we want to buy it, we can buy it, and it is our freedom. No one can stop them buying luxury car, and showing our image with luxury car is also free.